viscometer. So this is obviously U-type tube and have two bulb in it. This is a bulb and that is a bulb. So just upper the bulb there is a mark and lower the bulb there is a mark. So what you have to perform, you just take a fixed amount of liquid, say 10 ml for that viscometer. Okay. So first take the solution by using pipette and then pour the solution into it. Okay. Then suck the air from this pipe. Then obviously the liquid will come to the narrower limb. So you just look, there are two limbs. One is narrower limb and one is the larger limb. So once you just suck the air, the liquid will come to the narrower limb. So then it gradually comes to the upper mark. So when you reaches to the upper mark, then you stop the sucking. And then you just start counting the time by using stopwatch. So from this mark to that mark, the time of flow you have to count. Okay. So I am just attaching the viscometer over there in the clamp. Then first I have to take distilled water. So let's say take some amount of distilled water. So this is distilled water. I have already taken some amount of distilled water into it. So wash the pipette. You have to take 10 cc of distilled water. Okay. Yeah, it is 10 cc. Just pour the distilled water into this pipe. Now I have to record the time by using stopwatch. Okay, now we have to start the count. Once the liquid reaches to that upper mark, okay, start. Now the stopwatch is running. And here also, along with the second, millisecond is also there. Okay. So when you note down the recorded time into the table, you must write the millisecond part also. That is also important. So once the lower meniscus of distilled water just start crossing this lower mark of the bulb, you just stop the stopwatch. Okay. Stop. So here you just look, it's showing 54 second 87 millisecond. That will be 87, that is 7. Okay. Next, once again you have to suck the distilled water and repeat that time recordings once more. Minimum 2 to 3 times. Okay. Unknown solution is already prepared, and in my hand this is the unknown solution for viscosity. So first of all, I have to wash the inner part of the viscometer by using unknown solution. So for that, pipette out some solution and put it into the viscometer. Already rinsed by the unknown solution. Now we just take fresh solution. First attach the viscometer into the clamp, as we have already done by using distilled water. Then take same volume of unknown solution. So we have already done the experiment by 10 ml distilled water. So now we have to take 10 ml of unknown solution also. Yeah, this 10 cc. So leave a small space unless all the solution comes out from the pipe. Okay. Now I have to suck the liquid and start counting the time. Start. So take the time recording that we have already done by using distilled water. Do the same by using unknown solution. So obviously the time will be more than that of distilled water. Okay. Stop. So now the time is showing 1 minute 6 second. I think this is 8 millisecond. 1 minute 6 second 8 millisecond. So you just look, the blank weight of specific gravity bottle is 21.163 gram. So again I repeat, it's showing 21.163 gram. So note it down in the respective part. Next, I am just filling it with distilled water. So here the distilled water, just pouring distilled water into it. Yeah, attach the lid and then you have to wipe it by using your apron. You can also wipe it, or any tissue paper, if there are any available tissue paper, you can wipe it. Make sure no water droplets are present outside the bottle. Okay. So that is the weight of specific gravity bottle plus distilled water. So note it down in the respective table. That's showing 49.636 gram. Next, throw the distilled water. Okay. So now we just weighing the specific gravity bottle by using the unknown solution for viscosity. Now I am just taking the unknown solution into the gravity bottle for viscosity and then take the weight. So this is the unknown solution for viscosity practical. Now attach the lid and wipe it by tissue paper or apron. So look, the weighing balance is showing 0 here. Now I am placing it over there. Now the weight showing 50.239, that is 50.239